Step 7 in my guide to building generational wealth is to acquire assets and passive income. Assets are a key building block toward generational wealth. Your assets are anything you own and essentially just your stuff. Not all assets are equal, however, some assets we need, like your car, transportation, money, or food. Some assets are productive, like investments, real estate, and businesses, and others we simply desire, like a sports car or a nice watch. You should prioritize your asset accumulation starting with your needs, then the productive assets, then desires. The importance of acquiring assets is key to building personal wealth, which is measured by your net worth. The larger your net worth, the more wealth you will pass on to the next generation. You can use a personalized balance sheet to calculate your net worth. A balance sheet simply lists your assets, subtracts your liabilities, and calculates your net worth. A growing net worth is a great sign that you are building generational wealth. In this section, I also discuss the importance of building passive income. Some great assets that provide passive income are real estate, annuities, business ownership, and income-oriented stock and bond portfolios. To acquire these assets, you need to prioritize correctly, plan, and always be on the lookout for opportunities. Maybe your financial planner can help you out with these steps. My aim as I create this step-by-step guide is to guide someone starting from zero toward the path of generational wealth. I'll be releasing a blog post on our website and a YouTube video for each chapter. Eventually, I'll publish the guide into a book. This was a breakdown of my 7th chapter. Stay tuned for a video on each of the 10 steps, and please let me know your thoughts and feedback.